Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, all over the world. Welcome back to my program once again. This is Funky D Worldwide. Yes, I don't see so many people when they ask about Funky D, and I have to use this medium to say thank you to every one of you when don't dedicate their time, even though say na seconds when you take ask about Funky D. I say thank you very, very much. And I welcome you all back to my program. For those of you now when never subscribe before, I say make una come, make una just dey subscribe, they go, because we don't come back again to our Obenga analysis. Una know say in this our platform, I don't tell una right from onset, say we not the paint matter, we not the color anything. Now as they come, now so we dey drop them, the give una when be my viewers all over the world. Whether na political issue, whether na religious issue, whether na war issue, whether na terrorist issue, whether na any kind of issue, as they come, na so we dey take, they analyze them one after the other to my fans. Na so we dey do am for here. And those of you now when know Funky D, know me well, no know see here I be water not get enemy. I don't tell you before, say if I condemn wetin you don't do to our people, when we say it not make any sense, not me say me and you with a quarrel. Now wetin you do, na him Funky D come out and tell the world. If I praise you, na still the same thing, because as you take B, na so will they take, they analyze you in this platform, regardless of wetin anybody they think or they yarn. For here, we not dey send anybody message. The only face what they see for here, na the face of the masses. The only side where we dey, na the side of justice. We not dey the side of injustice. We dey the side of peace, for peace to reign. We not dey the side of war, or to cause confusion, or to cause gbege. No, we want make peace reign. Do you understand? That is why we dey ask the Nigerian government in general, may them make sure say they leave Biafra, make Biafra go in peace. Otherwise, you know. Yes, today's program, the news when I get for now, the analysis when all of us want to analyze and understand together. For those of you when want understand, now the analysis will concern that lady where they call Aisha Yusuf. Una know say Aisha Yusuf don't come out many times. Even up till now, the lady still dey come out. You know, remember the time of that EndSARS matter, when we dey tell una say make una put all una feet for ground gidigba, to stand together to defend una self, because una know as una presidency they take, they do their wayo, then go say stop. They not mean really stop. Now they just say stop to distract people's attention. At the end of the day, they will continue to do waiting. They don't tell us say they don't want to do again. So we not believe anything when they come from FG mouth. or anybody when they support FG. So during that time, when they do that NSAS protest, Funky D don't come out. In one of his special broadcasts, they tell us, say, make una dey very, very careful about this person, what they call Aisha Yusuf. This lady, what they call Aisha Yusuf, they only seek for attention. Una know the way when FG they pay them. Just like the way when they pay that lady, what they call Lulu Okoya. That so-called journalist, when they say the deporter come from America, the woman come to Nigeria now. They do wetin she they do. She don't talk, that one don't talk wetin she talk about Nnamdi Kanu. After we don't fact check everything, because you say everything when she they talk about Nnamdi Kanu, now why you? Just exactly the same way when people, when they against IPOB, they propagate wayo on top IPOB and ESN and the Mazen Nnamdi Kanu head. The same way, I don't tell you, say this Aisha Yusuf, and I won't repeat them again so that those of una when never hear before, when be my fans, and those of una when not be my fans, when just be listen to this broadcast, make una know say Aisha Yusuf, they fight for her own personal pocket. Aisha Yusuf is equivalent to the Boko Haram. Aisha Yusuf, she's equivalent to Mayati Allah. This lady na spy. Whether they use the spy, the Edo people and environs, Edo people and the surroundings. You know, when they do that NSAS protest, people they praise, we know say Nigeria to get gullible people. Mugu full everywhere in that country they call the zoo. That is why they tell una today say, make all of una put una eye for ground. Watch that Aisha closely. Aisha, they work for the Mayati Allah people. Aisha, now somebody when they the same basket with Loretta Onoche. That Aisha Yusuf not they fight for your own benefit. The lady, they look for loophole when she want to enter Asorok. Nothing say that lady, they fight for you. Because if Aisha they fight for freedom, or if she know wetin freedom is all about, she no go dey come out on social media, they insult Nnamdi Kanu, or they insult people when be the real freedom fighters. Aisha Yusuf na northern woman. When they migrate come Benin City, now she dey deny say she not be northerner. Say she not be northerner. Make una face me. Now the latest one when they on board. Make them face her. This lady they just they seek for what do they call personal gain. If Aisha Yusuf they fight for freedom, you no go they talk the way when she they talk to Nnamdi Kanu. She go stand in the side of the masses. Nnamdi Kanu na person when be say, if you do bad thing, the man go talk am. If you do good thing, the man go still talk am. Just exactly the same way when we they propagate our own gospel right here in Funky D's platform. If you do bad, we say you do good, we will say you do good. Because this woman, what they call Aisha Yusuf, she is not fighting for freedom. She's not a freedom fighter. The comment when this woman make recently about that cow when they kill. Not make any sense. This woman boldly come out. They tell the world, say wetin the ESN officers do. Not make sense. Why they go kill cow when belongs to the northern invaders? Across issue, ladies and gentlemen, now this particular point now make me come out say, man, yes, I don't finish with my assignment when I did do before. Now make I come back full time for these people, because this time around now action time. This short time not be time when, because we don't preach action. Now we don't see action when Nnamdi Kanu they pull the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. I say no. Make her come give Nnamdi Kanu his credit. Give Sunday Igboho his credits. So not only person you not get common sense go they blame ESN people. This same Aisha Yusuf or whatever she they call herself, where she did when these herdsmen invaders, when these terrorists, these Mayati Allah terrorists, they kill, they maim, they rape our people. Aisha Yusuf never come out one day, come address the issue or blame any herdsmen or blame any Boko Haram terrorist. Why now? When she see, yes, ESN securities, they on board. She want to come out and condemn say and kill cow. So I want to ask this same Aisha whether cow head better pass her own head. Not be say she care more about cows rather than human beings. All these are the points when I don't accumulate. Contact say today I must present this matter to the world and to my fans. Say Aisha Yusuf na spy when Mayati Allah people they use, because if she not be spy, whether they use or two when FG they use, that is the Fulani government. She for now come out, come the talk say the cows when ESN people kill, say not make any sense. Say because nobody have the monopoly or taking laws into their hands. But you never want to come out, come tell the Fulani people or the Mayati Allah people or your Buhari people, one they still they claim say they're alive. Maybe violence or killing people or putting laws into their hands. You never come out one day. But today, you they jump, they come out, they talk, say nobody get the right of taking laws into their hands because they kill cows. Which ESN people, they made a very, very big mistake. ESN people not supposed to allow those invaders to escape. Even up to those people carry arms, they shoot them. I mean, the criminal invaders. Una not supposed to allow these people to go the way where they do injustice to Igbo people, the way where they do injustice to Nigerian people, the way where they do injustice to people who will not be Muslim and people who will not be Mayati Allah or people who will not believe in what them believe. Now so ESN people go still do the same injustice when they do to innocent people. Now the same way where they go take do those people when be the northern invaders. So my advice to ESN today, any northern person want to see inside the bush, around the bush, now jungle justice. Because we not get justice from FG, we not get justice from our the so-called lazy governors. We not get justice from nowhere where they kill our people. So why Aisha Yusuf go come and come that one not when not even ready to clean funky this shoe. Now she they come out, they insult the able leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. She not even fear. Leave that lady. May she carry her mouth, they eat gutter. She go continue to carry that her mouth to eat gutter until she go learn lesson. Aisha Yusuf na spy for all these northern killers. So everybody have to watch that lady very, very closely. That lady not dey fight for any freedom. She's fighting for her pocket. Before you know, you go hear say Oshomole or Asorok or somebody invite this lady. Before you know, they will say they give her a position of so and so in Asorok. She's a spy. She is not a freedom fighter. Aisha Yusuf, you are not a. In fact, that time when they see Aisha Yusuf and the show whatever they do, this SARS protest, show whatever they do in own, this lady going to do her own. I'm the baffle. I was a man. Why should whatever going to associate himself with all this kind of people? These are criminals, terrorists. Now that they play with. She dey blame ESM because they kill some few cows. I say ESM people, make una not make this kind of mistake again. Because if una continue to allow these people to escape una, now so as they run, they see other people, maybe innocent people, maybe going somewhere, going to their farm, so then go attack and kill all of them. So una no go allow these invaders to the escape una. They must get their instant justice, just the same way when they do injustice to our people. That you're telling me. Aisha Yusuf, including Shehu Sani, all of una go quiet. All of una, if una no say una one piece, all of una go quiet. We no want make una they come out, they speak on what they happen in the southeastern part of the country. Una get problem belefu. Aisha Yusuf, your Muslim terrorist people, then get problem belefu in the north. Why you not they talk about them? Why you not they talk about them? Suddenly, you don't get our guts to they come out, they insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then born you well. So this same lady from Kidi say we go to monitor you because we not believe in you. We not believe in this lady. We not believe in the Northerners. We not believe in Hausa people. I not believe in Fulani people. I believe in somebody when we say the person a better person. The person meant good for the masses. If because he got some gullible Nigerians where they talk say oh. Why come be say they think they want to turn into ethnic something? They say now the whole ethnicity when they that country they do criminal activities. Of course we know that one. But recently they post what they conduct in that same zoo. They tell us say 90% of people when they catch when be kidnappers all nah the Fulani Janjaweed people. All this killing, where did they kill? All now the Fulani people. So what are you telling me? Say not the Fulani people. 90% are so the post where they conduct in the zoo there. You know? So Aisha Yusuf not be freedom fighter. Even now, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people, as we don't come back, we're going to bring their names one after the other, the same way what they do before. A lot of people not be freedom fighters. They're just the form, that the art movie they give Nigerian people. All of them now money be their interest. They not get your interest at heart. Anybody when they clamor for Nigeria, even after revolution, that person not be sincere freedom fighter. Because after the revolution, corrupt individuals still full everywhere. Corrupt individuals from the same zoo go still full everywhere. Even though say una do all the whole present politicians and their supporters waiting, they go do them. Other people go still grow when it's come out. So that is why it's important everybody go their way. Biafra go their way. They will do what? Go their way. Because I don't tell you before. Una never watch my program before. I don't tell you say my name now Funky D Worldwide. If you never watch my program before, oh yeah, go back, go to search them. There is nothing when we never tell you. Nothing when we never talk about in that country they call the Sioux. So if you dey clamor for one Nigeria, you dey make the Northerners they jolly, that they happy. The more you dey clamor for that one Nigeria, the more that they come after you. The more they're going to kill your people. The more they're going to rape your mommy them, your papi them. The more they're going to say yes, these people that be morons, we will continue dealing with them. The more they go hold on to that Asorok. Whether the Ndibo or the Ohanese Ndibo or these people what they call the Oduduwa people, when the Yoruba people, they like it or not, they will continue to pay allegiance to the North. As far as that same one Nigeria is concerned. That looting no go ever finish forever and ever. Even though say you don't do that revolution, no, now they tell you that. And you still remain in one Nigeria. You know if you survive. So all this patchy thing and all these people pretending they are all what's it called freedom fighters, they are all fake. Majority of them are fake. Like this lady. This lady, what you see right here, Aisha Yusuf. I don't tell her, say, na spy to the Janjaweed people. If you like, continue to believe her. Continue to follow her. But we don't tell her again, waiting, we tell her. This lady, na her own interest when she dey fight for. She want make people know her. She want make Asorok call her. Not be Buhari, the Asorok. But then go call her. All these evil things when they happen in Nigeria, we not they see anybody when they condemn them. I say we don't come back and we get a lot of things to share together. So the reason why they bring out this other point, you see, somebody like Ona, president wife, when be they acclaim Aisha Buhari, what they call. More than 8 months now, the lady they Dubai. Now young boys in Dubai. No Nigerian person. Aisha Yusuf, this Aisha Yusuf now, as a lady, not cry out. Nobody cry out though, and on a guy president. The only country one I see president go day and wife dey for another country. The woman don't leave Nigeria for now. She don't loot her taskata. Abi una don't forget her scandals. Nobody they talk about them. The only day when I try to ask the Jubri Abi who they inside that Asoro, his aides question about the lady. The man said no, we not anything. Made Aisha Buhari nine get her mad. She must come and answer her own question. The lady over 8 months now. Nobody talk about them. Till today. They are not television, not they talk about. They don't know. John Momo don't know. Nobody know. Yeah, not only Funky D know. God will punish all of them. So, the topic of the day, ladies and gentlemen, now concerning this same lady, what will they talk about? Aisha Yusuf. Now she they carry us come down here, go meet Aisha Buhari, when don't leave Nigeria. And when I say when I get president, the president there for Nigeria, and nobody talk about that. What a disgrace nation. So, it is important make our people they know what they happen on ground. So anybody where they feel say he get where this ESN security officers or ESN securities that they go. They don't go nowhere, according to our able leader, Master Nnamdi Kanu. She don't make it clear, see, man, they know they go nowhere, they remain where they are. Forever and ever, ESN area. No matter the kind of propaganda, no matter the kind of lies, no matter the kind of frame up when Janjaweed Army won't frame up ESN, then they were there. Just exactly the same way, Biafra can never ever go away until it is achieved. We keep on chanting Biafra, we keep on marching forward. Use your propaganda machine. Use everything where you want to use. Use all the whole resources in that country as you like it or as you want it. Biafra can never go down until we achieve this Biafra. Talk anything where you want to talk. Nyan anything where you want nyan. Come and rant in the internet as you like. Nothing. Biafra must come. Biafra must come. So, ladies and gentlemen, Aisha Yusuf from Gidi say, you not rich. We don't know where you're from. You dey claim say you be Benin lady, where we know say, na not when your papa and your mama from migrate come Benin City or wherever you there. They claim waiting you they claim. They tell us now, say, make we face her. Yeah, make we leave the north alone. You can see. To see now say Aisha Yusuf not be freedom fighter. She want the Fulani invaders, our brothers and our sisters, to continue maiming, to continue killing our people, killing innocent Nigerian people, killing innocent Igbo people, and innocent Yoruba people. She not they condemn them, but only cow. That is why I say the ESN have to be more vigilant. Make una not they allow these people to escape, because on their way they feel meet somebody for road, or a group of guys or ladies for road. They will kill all of them with the gun, with the vaccination. Though we know say whether vaccination or no vaccination or any time when these Fulani people jam our people, then they eliminate our people. Just for nothing. All this cow matter, all this farm matter, we don't talk about them. Nothing we will never talk. Like the question when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they ask Nigerian government and Nigerian people, all those Gole people when they in Nigeria, una don't see where cow they move up and down in Holland or in Amsterdam. Nobody will answer the question because they know see it not they ever happen. And then they produce milk. But these people, when they use their cow, they destroy crops, they destroy everything, they destroy people's farmland, they kill people, they rape, they maim. Then they produce any milk. They never even produce one cup of milk one day. But the Amsterdam people, then they produce everything. And there, we know they see cow for road. Even right here in Canada, I don't never know where cow they. Even like I don't tell our people, see, these army people when they see up and down, right here in Canada, I never see any army man with uniform. Never one day. Never. But in Nigeria, army don't take over police. Everywhere na army. Not be said they're even plenty. These people, what they call army, they're not even only 300,000 people. When they disturb Nigerian people, when they disturb our peace. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have to be very, very vigilant about that. Aisha Yusuf, she is a spy. She is a spy from the Sahel. She is a spy from pit of hell. Every word when Aisha Yusuf, they come out, they tell people in that Nigeria, all na fake. Because Aisha Yusuf, she's a very, very fake freedom fighter. Not be freedom. Aisha Yusuf, they fight. Aisha Yusuf, they find popularity. They find money. In a very, very dangerous way. She's trading her life in a very, very dangerous path. If she continue to support the Janjaweed and her brothers and sisters, known as the herdsmen and Boko Haram. Don't be surprised that these kind of people, ladies and gentlemen, they show them road, they show them where to go camp, they show them in Benin, everywhere, they show them around that place where they go feel hide. They put money for pocket. Not today. Anyone after listening to this broadcast, anyone wants to follow Aisha Yusuf, all of them now the same kind of people. People will not like freedom. Because Aisha Yusuf no want freedom. One love, everybody. I say, if you know, say you never subscribed before, make you not the subscribe and make you not the make sure see you not the share our Obenga video. Make you go tell your brothers and sisters, say Funky D Worldwide is back. Full time. One love, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.